Hi, everyone. We've got a student by the name of Titus, presumably a student, who asked that the following problem be solved. The problem is this. We have an equation, and we want to solve for A. Going over to this screen here, we've got that equation again, T equals P plus AF. Incidentally, this is in slope-intercept form. Our slope-intercept equation is y equals mx plus b, y equals mx plus b. It's always good to be aware of these things. Now on to solving for A. What does it mean to solve for A? It means we want to isolate for that variable. But what does that even mean? It means we want to undo what was done to it. That means, in this case, we want to go in reverse order what was done. And what was done to A is that it was multiplied by F and then added to P, and this quantity is equal to T. The first thing we want to do is start with the last thing that was done and undo it. P was added to the product AF, so we need to subtract P from this product. We do that to both sides. So we've got T minus P equals AF minus P. That leaves no P over here, and it puts it over here. Notice that it's positive over here and negative over here. Whatever you have on one side of the equation, on the other side of the equation, it's the exact opposite or inverse. So if you got a positive value over here, it's a negative value on the left side of the equation, assuming that it started on the right side of the equation. In the case of AF, or A times F, that's actually our next step. We want to isolate that further, or isolate the A further, by dividing that term by F. A is multiplied by F. We want to divide it by F. That was the first step in creating this equation. We took A, we multiplied it by F, and we added P. We subtracted P, now we're dividing by F. To do that, we have to take this whole quantity here and divide it by F. So that we have T minus P divided by F equals AF divided by F. Let's draw this out, actually. And these F's cancel, and we're left with T minus P divided by F equals A. Now up here, forgive me, I should have written this in the first place. T minus P equals P minus P plus AF. These terms cancel out. So that again, turn my alarm off. So that again, we have T minus P on the left and AF on the right. Let's go back down here where we left off before. We left off with T minus P divided by F equals A. Now, just to make it clearer to read, we reversed the order. We took what was on the left and put it on the right because we prefer this A, our variable that we just solved for, to be on the left side of the equation. It reads easier and it's easier to say. So we have finally A equals T minus P divided by F. Now there's another thing we can do. We're going to take each term in this difference here and divide it by F. So either equation here is a valid answer. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.